Today we are going to learn how to differentiate trigonometric functions, okay? And we're talking about the hard ones, um, the the ones that are normally, difficult for high school students and university students, okay? So now let's look at it. So we are talking about secant. For example, if they ask you to differentiate secant x, okay? Secant x. How do you get it? So it's simple, all right? So here we are. So what happens is that if you are asked to differentiate secant x, so we have secant x, this is how to memorize it or how to learn it easily, all right? Now, secant x is tan x. Know this one, okay? You have to commit this one to your memory. Secant x tan x. Cosecant x is cotangent x, all right? You can use u as well. In some functions, in some books, they use what? U, okay? But here I'm using x to be my angle, okay? My angle, right? In radians. The angle, remember the angle is in radians, okay? Now, that's my argument. Now, so what happens is that if you are asked to differentiate secant here, just multiply this one, all right? So if they give you the x over what? You should differentiate this one by d, okay? They say, given that, they say differentiate the following functions. Differentiate the following functions. If you are to differentiate this one, so if you take the differential of, differential of this guy, secant x, okay, over the x, okay. Now this gives you are differentiating this one, so you have to just multiply this and this, okay. So this gives you secant x tan x, okay. Simple as that. If you're asked to differentiate tan x, so let's say differentiate tan x, right, dx. Now you are differentiating this one. So what you do, you multiply this and this, okay? Multiply this and this. So this gives you what? Secant squared, secant times secant x is what? Secant squared x. So secant squared x. This is simple, right? Yes. Now let's come to the second functions. We have cosecant and cotangent. The same thing here. If you are asked to differentiate, cosecant x with respect to x is the same. Now here you multiply this and this. But remember here you have to attach negative sign. So this is negative cosecant x, cotangent x, all right? If you are asked to differentiate cot x, so let's say differentiate cot x with respect to x, this gives you, just multiply this and this, right? So just multiply this and this and what? Bring your negative, yeah? Yes, so this will be and minus cosecant squared x, all right? That's it. So if you love this video, please, if I've given you a value, please subscribe, please follow me and comment and share these videos. Share, right? This is a hack I've given you. You'll never forget it. Yeah. Thank you, and please recommend my videos, recommend my Facebook page to and YouTube to your students, your colleagues, your siblings, and other people that you love so much. You want them to excel in mathematics. Thank you so much. May God bless you for watching. Bye bye.